Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July, safe one. It's Friday. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Stay safe. I'm going to tell Carolyn what we're getting ready to put. I'm going to tell Carolyn. Blooper number 56. Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well today. It's Friday. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July yesterday. Carolyn's going to tell you what we're getting ready to put together. And before I forget, y'all have a safe weekend. Now, Shug, what are we putting together?
Okay, we've got a galvanized raised bed. It's by Landguard. I've got it last year on Amazon. The reason it's took us this long to put it together is I was waiting on my irises to be ready to move. Supposed to move them 6 weeks after they bloom, so this is about time. So Doug's going to put this together for me.
We're going to attempt it, folks.
And Daniel.
We'll see. We don't know how frail or fragile this thing is. We'll take a look.
It's not one of the high-priced ones. You can go on. I
already see.
I'll send a link.
Oh Lord.
I'll put a link in the description.
Sharp edges. Use extreme caution. Be careful out there, folks.
Maybe losing our fingers, but not the fireworks this weekend.
Alright, let's see what we got here. This is it?
Yep, that's it.
1, 2, 3, 4 pieces.
6.
Oh, you got 6.
Let me get my knife out here. Cut the plastic off. Lay it down there, Dan. I got the curved pieces. Let's see. Yeah, I can see what they mean by sharp. It is sharp. Alrighty. Break out the screws there, Dan. Folks, what we'll do, we'll fast forward this for you so you're not bored.
May take us a little bit.
It might take us a little while. As you can see, we brought the table down here into the shade. It has been hot again today. Now years ago, I used to work outside. Daniel, you got that nut on there?
Yeah.
Didn't used to affect me whatsoever. Anymore though, the heat just zaps me.
And it's worse down here than it used to be.
Yeah, the humidity's a lot worse than what it used to be. But no, years ago I worked outside all the time. That was my job. It'd have to take some reconditioning now to get back to doing it all the time outside. Yeah, I've just turned into a wuss.
No.
Today, I don't know what in the world. I woke up and my back ran through my side. I don't know. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
I'll slide back.
Great job, guys. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, folks, I'll carry this down there and put it where it's going. We'll let Daniel get out his ice thing there, and we'll show you our snowballs, and we'll call it a day. It's right at 48 inches, 47, so close to 4 feet. Alrighty.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You need to show us where you want it at, and I'll get the dirt carried down there.
All right.
Dan, go in there and be getting the ice stuff out and all.
Okay.
We won't worry about filming that today. We'll show you one day. Dan doing that there. We'll show you the finished product here soon.
And here's our boss.
There's the boss.
Yeah. Dixie. Here's where I'll put it. I'll probably put some weed fabric underneath. I'll have to mow, or we'll have to mow back here. Here's some of my other flowers growing. These are the crazy daisies. I'll have to deadhead them. And the red Rudbeckia. And here's some other Rudbeckias. Here's some pansies. And this here is the mini zinnia we got from Horse Range Mountain Farm.
Made snowballs. Mine is egg custard. Shug, what's yours?
Cherry.
Mine's blue raspberry.
Go ahead and get you a spoon thing out. Show them, Dan.
See that?
Egg custard. And it's good, folks.
Delicious.
Dixie took off after a groundhog.
She's coming back now.
Alrighty, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. Thank y'all again for watching.
Have a good day.